Exploring Padua, Italy means stepping into a city where medieval architecture, artistic treasures, and centuries of knowledge come together in one unforgettable destination. In this video, we're counting down the 7 best things to do in Padua, Italy, highlighting the landmarks, experiences, and hidden gems that make this historic city truly remarkable. We begin at number 7 with the awe-inspiring Basilica of St. Anthony, a masterpiece of Romanesque, Gothic, and Byzantine design filled with spiritual significance and incredible artwork. Then at number 6, the vast beauty of Prato della Valle unfolds, a grand elliptical square surrounded by statues, bridges, and peaceful green spaces. The journey continues through Padua's rich heritage at the Università di Padova, the iconic Palazzo della Ragione, and the lively streets showcased on a city walking tour. Modern convenience blends with tradition at the Padua Tramway, leading us to the top spot, the extraordinary Orto Botanico, the world's oldest university botanical garden. Let's uncover the best of Padua, one magical stop at a time. Number 7. Basilica of St. Anthony. The Basilica of St. Anthony stands as one of Italy's most treasured pilgrimage sites, drawing visitors from around the world to admire its beauty and spiritual significance. Approaching the basilica, the blend of Romanesque, Gothic, and Byzantine architecture creates a striking silhouette against the sky. Its domes, arches, and detailed facades invite you into a place rich with history and devotion. Inside, the atmosphere is calm and reverent. Soft light filters across frescoes, sculptures, and chapels dedicated to the life and miracles of St. Anthony. Pilgrims pause before the saint's tomb, leaving handwritten prayers and taking a moment for quiet reflection. The artistry throughout the basilica, especially the works by Donatello, adds depth and emotion to every corner. The vast interior opens into peaceful cloisters where visitors can walk in silence and appreciate the serene surroundings. Whether exploring for faith, history, or art, the Basilica of St. Anthony offers a powerful experience that connects past and present in a truly meaningful way. Number 6. Prato della Valle. Prato della Valle in Padua, Italy stands as one of Europe's largest and most remarkable public squares, offering a beautiful blend of history, culture, and open space. The moment you enter the square, the scene unfolds into a vast elliptical park surrounded by a graceful canal. Along the canal's edge, statues of philosophers, artists, and influential figures tell the story of Padua's rich past. The central island, known as Isola Memia, provides a peaceful place to walk, relax, and take in the view. Locals and visitors often gather here to enjoy the sunshine, read under the trees, or watch the daily rhythm of the city move around them. Its wide pathways and scenic bridges create a setting perfect for photos, leisurely strolls, or quiet reflection. On weekends and special occasions, Prato della Valle transforms into a lively marketplace filled with vibrant stalls offering food, crafts, and antiques. The square captures the essence of Padua, a blend of elegance, history, and community life all in one extraordinary place. Number 5. Università di Padova. The Università di Padova stands among Europe's oldest and most respected centers of learning, a place where centuries of discovery and innovation continue to shape the world. Walking through its historic courtyards, you can feel the legacy of brilliant minds who once studied and taught here, including Galileo Galilei himself. The university's architecture blends medieval character with modern academic life, creating an inspiring environment for students and visitors. One of the most iconic spaces is the Palazzo Bo, home to the world's first permanent anatomical theater. Its circular wooden design reflects the groundbreaking scientific achievements that took place within its walls. Nearby, beautifully preserved halls display portraits, coats of arms, and symbols representing generations of scholars. Across the city, various university buildings integrate seamlessly with Padua's daily rhythm, filling the streets with energy and intellectual curiosity. Research centers, libraries, and vibrant student areas highlight the university's commitment to progress. The Università di Padova remains a powerful symbol of knowledge, tradition, and the pursuit of discovery. Number 4. Palazzo della Ragione. Palazzo della Ragione stands at the heart of Padua, as one of the city's most extraordinary architectural landmarks. Its massive rectangular structure, crowned by an impressive curved roof, immediately draws attention and reflects centuries of civic importance. Originally built in the 13th century, the palace once served as the center of government, where merchants, judges, and officials shaped the daily life of the medieval city. Inside, the vast upper hall, known as the Salone, stuns visitors with its incredible size. It's one of the largest medieval rooms in Europe without internal supports. The walls are covered in richly detailed frescoes depicting zodiac signs, virtues, professions, and scenes representing medieval knowledge, creating a visual encyclopedia of the era. Below the palace, the surrounding market remains active and lively, just as it has for hundreds of years. Stalls filled with produce, local goods, and handmade items keep the area full of color and energy. Palazzo della Ragione beautifully blends Padua's past with its vibrant present, offering a captivating glimpse into the city's heritage. Number 3. Padua City Walking Tour. A walking tour through Padua reveals a city filled with timeless beauty, historic treasures, and lively Italian charm. The journey begins in the heart of the Old Town, where narrow cobblestone streets weave between elegant medieval buildings and bustling cafes. Each turn offers a glimpse into Padua's rich past and vibrant present. Stopping at Piazza delle Erbe and Piazza della Frutta, the lively markets showcase local produce, colorful stalls, and the everyday rhythm of city life. Just steps away stands Palazzo della Ragione, its grand architecture and historic significance adding depth to the experience. Continuing through the streets, the tour leads to Prato della Valle, one of Europe's largest squares. Its sweeping green island, serene canal, and statues create a calm, picturesque atmosphere perfect for photos and relaxation. Nearby, the Basilica of St. Anthony impresses with its towers, domes, and spiritual importance. The walk ends near the University of Padua, where centuries of learning and discovery echo through its courtyards. Padua's charm unfolds beautifully on foot, one landmark at a time. Number 2. The Padua Tramway. The Padua Tramway offers one of the easiest and most efficient ways to explore the city, connecting major landmarks with a smooth and modern ride. Its single-line system stretches across Padua, making it simple for visitors and locals to move between historic sites, universities, and vibrant neighborhoods. The sleek blue trams glide quietly along the track, offering a comfortable view of daily life as the city passes by. Stations are conveniently placed, allowing quick access to destinations like Prato della Valle, the Basilica of St. Anthony, the University of Padua, and key shopping areas. The system operates on a guided busway concept, giving the tram its distinctive design and seamless movement through both busy streets and quieter zones. Travelers often enjoy the ride as part of the sightseeing experience, watching bicycles, cafes, and medieval buildings blend into a captivating urban landscape. The Padua Tramway adds efficiency, simplicity, and a touch of modern innovation to a city known for its historic charm. Number 1. Orto Botanico of Padua University. The Orto Botanico of the University of Padua stands as the world's oldest university botanical garden still in its original location, a place where science, history, and nature come together in a remarkable way. Founded in 1545, this living laboratory has supported centuries of research and discovery. Walking through its historic circular layout feels like stepping into a space where the past and present coexist beautifully. Ancient plants, rare species, and carefully designed sections reveal how botanical knowledge has evolved over time. The towering palm planted in the 16th century, famously associated with Goethe, remains one of the garden's most iconic treasures. Nearby, modern greenhouses showcase ecosystems from around the world, from tropical rainforests to desert landscapes. The pathways lead visitors through aromatic herbs, medicinal plants, and colorful collections arranged with scientific precision. Information panels share stories about plant evolution and conservation, making the visit both enriching and relaxing. The Orto Botanico blends quiet beauty with academic heritage, offering a peaceful escape in the heart of Padua.